The organic matter, it's a here we go. It is your all natural microbial, the frick is it called?
Microbial
PPE. For those of you who don't know, it means protective personal clothing equipment. Is just like it sounds, a granular formula. I can't even talk today. Granular formula. Indoors, you're going to try to keep this contained to areas that are not going to get shit. My baby. There we go. I can't even say granular.
Well, hey,
good golly. The station. Hi. They have a little blob, is like what I like to call it inside. We're talking JF Oaks. It's no jokes. The lure you want for your rats and mice. I ain't got nothing else to say. Here we go. Ready?